I have a spare bedroom in my house and I decided to rent it out on Airbnb for some extra cash. I've never done this before, so stay until the end of the video to find out how it goes. In the meantime, I'm gonna take some photos. Now I took some pictures inside my house with a phone. I'm curious to see if I'm going to get any bookings with a minimal amount of effort. So now I'm gonna edit the photos. I'm gonna put just a little bit of effort by doing auto on every single picture, upload them online and see if we get any bookings. Here are the photos I posted on Airbnb. The bedroom, closet, bathroom, common spaces, and the name of my listing is Cozy Guest Bedroom 15 minutes away from downtown. I checked off that I have Wi-Fi, washer, dryer, and a fan, and I put the listing price at $50 a night. And in just 2 hours, unexpected happened. I somehow managed to get a booking with my brochures pictures for Dylan. Dylan is coming here in 5 days, and I have no clue how this happened. I just realized something funny. The place where you'll sleep on the Airbnb is a picture of a closet. I want to treat my guest good, for him to feel impressed and for me to get a 5-star rating. So at the very least, I'm gonna buy him a bed, even though he wants to sleep in the closet. I will look for some more furniture as well. I ordered a bed, table, nightstand, trash can, hair dryer, sheets, blanket, and in total I spent $845. Everything arrived the next morning and I had to assemble it. I don't know how I managed to get this room booked out before I even have any good pictures or a bed, but it worked out somehow. So that proves that you don't need to have furniture. I got tired of doing it by myself and I asked for some help. I really want to show you that you don't need professional photos nor a luxurious room to start getting bookings and earning money. And the room is now ready. I got this awesome bed here. I just hit my foot. So I got this awesome bed right here. I got new pillows, new sheets. I got this nightstand that came in yesterday. I also got this seating area where they can do their work. And it is time to take new pictures so I can update the listing. After updating all the photos on Airbnb, I got all the dates I made available booked out right away, which is insane considering we're only 2 days into this. I also got one booking that I did not expect at all. I got another booking and the guy is coming here in 5 months. But it just goes to show that by putting your room on Airbnb or any other hosting platform, you might be able to book out your calendar multiple months in advance and at a very good rate too. I mean, he's paying $70 a night. But whatever, more money is good. See you in October, Benjamin. Tomorrow the first guests are coming and I found out that this is a couple that is from Germany and they are traveling on their motorcycle from Colombia to Canada. Today is the day. They're gonna be here in 3 hours. I'm gonna give them some clean towels. Last thing is decorations. I forgot to buy a chair. And at this moment, I realized I messed up. We don't have any available chairs in the house, and I am not giving my $2,000 chair to them. I need your help with something. Can you get up from the chair for a sec? Okay. And I got a chair. Ta-da! Now everything is perfect, except the chair is pink. It's fine. I'm gonna do some final cleanup. This is the bathroom for all of my Airbnb guests, and I'm gonna clean it up right now. And I'm also gonna clean up all the common spaces because I want my house to look gorgeous for them, and I want the good rating, so. I thought our house is cleaner. I love this vacuum, not sponsored. My first guests arrived, and I lost all the footage. The only thing I have left is us riding in a Tesla.
Hello everybody, we are here in beautiful Austin, Texas. This is our first ride in a Tesla. Pasha is taking us. Oh my gosh.
They only stayed for 2 nights and they had to leave to continue traveling. It is sad that they are leaving because they were actually awesome guests. Since I'm new to hosting on Airbnb, was there anything that I could have done better?
No. Don't let anybody drive your car, maybe.
I really happy to have you guys here.
Well, thank you for everything. It was a pleasure.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Ciao.
And we got 25 minutes until the next guest moves in. So we gotta clean up. I don't like cleaning, but I love money. $20 is $20. Of course, you don't have to clean the whole house after each guest, but I just like to keep my house extra clean. So the next guest is coming very soon, and I'm running late. I was preparing to host Dylan. He's only staying for 1 night. And towels. So I decided to make it a little more welcoming by putting a welcome home sign. Potentially he might find it weird, but it's already up there, so I'm just gonna keep it. Hopefully he doesn't find it weird, but I probably would. I was waiting on Dylan, but he was running late. He canceled. I mean, there is nothing wrong. It was free money. It's cool that I got paid. Dylan, I cleaned up for you. I put up a sign for you. I even put clean towels for you. And then you treat me like this? You just don't show up? I don't want to know you, Dylan. Remember the guy that booked out the room with horrible photos and closet space shown as the place where they will sleep? Well, he expected that for $70 a night, he was gonna have this whole house to himself, and he just did not expect me to stay here. I was ready for my next guest because I prepped for the guy who didn't show up, hence I had to do zero prep. Matt just got in the house and he seems like a nice guy, but he is not very talkative. Throughout his stay, I wasn't even sure if he is here. I ran into him twice. He was very polite, said hello, and then just kind of disappeared into the room. I never knew if he was home. I never knew if he was out. He was just extremely quiet. Now, I also, on top of that, set up a 20% discount for the week-long or longer stays. And basically, this guy got a 40% off discount on his whole stay, and he's staying for like $37 a night. In total, I spent $845. $546 I spent on bed, nightstand, and a table, and $299 I spent on miscellaneous items like towels, pillows, blankets, sheets, hair dryer, washing detergent, things of that nature. And in total for 11 days booked, I made $524, meaning we lost $321, but I got to keep the bed, the table, and a bunch of other stuff. And if I continue booking it out, this room is just gonna keep on turning profit. Now, if you want to try this out for yourself, I'm gonna leave my Airbnb referral link down below in the description. You get the money, I get the money, so everybody wins. And in the meantime, I'm gonna be waiting on Benjamin to show up, so subscribe to see if he comes in 5 months.